Hey guys, this is Arslan here. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you Bitcoin technical analysis, and we're gonna see live technical analysis because I haven't done much yet. I was just looking right now. I'm taking retake. This is the second retake that I'm taking of this video, and the first one I said now let me just go and make the video short because I know not many people like the long videos, a long explanation and everything so much. Like I want to try to make it basic, as simple as possible. All right. If you're not following me on Steemit, make sure you do. I'm gonna post that there as well. And if you're not aware of Steemit, make sure you do subscribe. I'm gonna share this, what Steemit is, how it works, the best way to use it. You can make a lot of money here as well. Okay, the Facebook group link is gonna be under this video. That is where I promised I'm gonna do this video. The only reason I'm doing this video, I had other plans to do, just because many of my followers do wait for analysis because they always ask me about Bitcoin. Let's go with the technical analysis and see how the Bitcoin is doing. Okay, I was making this chart. As I said, this is the second retake of this video. I was making this chart, and in simple words I will explain you that pitchfork, I just put it right there and it worked. It worked pretty well, and it's showing everything that's happening right now. And I don't know how, but it's just happening. It's taking a support at this area, and it's taking a resistance here. It can't break that. If you see, each wick is going up and coming back. And right now what I'm expecting here is, because of looking at daily candles have a resistance here. Okay, we have a resistance at 11,700 to break out, daily breakout, to make higher highs. That's what I'm looking at, higher highs. All right, and to make that we need to break 11,700, and I'm expecting after that we're gonna hit 12,000 and get a pullback, small pullback, to test the 11,700 again and move up again towards 13,000. This is our next resistance, and even pitchfork is telling me, okay, we're gonna hit this here. If you see, for example, if we go from here, if we, for example, just today, if we go from here to there, okay, if we break this, the next candle is gonna come down. Okay, the next one is gonna go up here. Sorry, my bad. There will be a space this much. I can't do it. But anyways, you get the point. And I'm expecting it's gonna hit here, and then we're gonna come back again, a 50% pullback. Looking at the fib levels, 50% or 61% from here to roughly here. And then I'm expecting a breakout, and that breakout is going to be sick. All right, that's what I'm expecting right now. Looking at the pitchfork, looking at the support and resistance, why use so many indicators? Why use trend lines? Why use so much? Okay, this is that 4-hour triangle that I was making. We did break out this triangle. We did break out, but there's another scenario of this. The volume, we did get volume in Coinbase, what we didn't get much volume in GDAX. You know, it's something funny right now for me is not seeing much volume here, seeing much volume in Coinbase. Coinbase on GDAX, so there should be similar things, and the volume has been coming pretty well. And I think this is the best option for you to buy if you want to buy Bitcoin. Is crossing 11,700 is a buy, and before 12,000 you should be buying. This is pretty safe rather than buying now. I know you're going to save some few hundred, but a safe entry is after it's crossed 11,700. That's my level to look for. And right now what we're seeing is another triangle. That's another scenario we can see as some trader must be doing it, because as a trader I need to look for everything possible in this market. I can't do mistakes. I need to find those hidden resistance levels, hidden support levels. There's so many indicators people use, so many things. It depends all the what majority use here. Okay, the support and resistance are the most powerful, the basic tool that people use. That's why I was looking at support resistance in my first chart, and this is second chart. I'm using a moving average. I'm using a trend lines. I'm using a triangle. All right, and that's what we're seeing right now, and I'm expecting by next 2 days we should be breaking 11,700, but tomorrow at least. Okay, because what I'm expecting right now is we made a high candle right now. I'm expecting a break today or max tomorrow 11,700. Okay, because the daily candle just closed a half an hour ago. If we break that today 11,700, I'm expecting a move to 12,000 and then a small pullback to test the 11,700 and then a move to 13,000. 13,000 is a very strong resistance, and this is a big move as well, because from 11,000 to 17,000 that move is gonna be roughly, let's see, that move is around 11% and 10%. Actually, when it moves 10%, of course it needs to come back. And one more thing that we can see is there's a fib level, like a big one, overall fib level at 13,300, roughly, almost 13,300. I'm expecting a touch there and then a fake out. So kind of Bitcoin does a lot of fake outs, so Bitcoin's specialty is fake outs. Okay, I'm fed up the fake outs to see fake outs, so I always expect the fake outs in Bitcoin, because when there's a FOMO there is gonna be fake out and then it will be back. So something like that. And there's a big triangle, like if you've been following me, I always say that I will be selling here. Okay, I will be selling here because I know there will be a 5 to 10% to make for me. If you don't understand, you should not be doing it. This is a resistance that I'm looking at right now. Because of this fib level, we may see by next 2-3 days, okay, we may see, if we move this up here and roughly slowly around 13,500 to 14,000 area, this is going to be a resistance, and after that we're going to see a pullback. I'm not sure how big that pullback is going to be. All right, but long-term holding shouldn't be worried about. My long-term holding is in my Ledger and Trezor wallet. Okay, what I'm going to play with is the Bitcoin I have in the exchange. I'm gonna convert them in USDT, but you shouldn't be doing that. I'm telling you, if you don't understand how the things work, you shouldn't be touching that. I'm just saying here because I want to share everything with you guys. And RSI keep moving slowly. First we had 1, 2, this was a big fake out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we've been testing that, but we tested a spike, a big spike, like green 3-4 days green in a row, and then we came back. We're going slowly now. This time we're making slowly move. If we break that, I'm pretty sure we're gonna fail first time. As I was saying, we're gonna go close to 13,000, and that's what I'm expecting. This is gonna be close to 13,000, which gonna hit a 50 RSI level, and then a pullback, small one, and then go up. And the MACD is crossing 50, a bullish as well, bullish trend, showing the move as well. I mean, so much here to see, and the only way we'll get huge volume, positive moves and everything after crossing this trend line. It's gonna be a big thing, in my opinion. It's gonna bring a lot of volume, a lot of faith in big traders, and many people are gonna jump here. This is one of the safest entry to, I mean, it's gonna be high, of course, but it's pretty safe. But that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna sell here, buy low, or either I will wait for the break and the daily candle to close, because Bitcoin does so many fake out. It's just so annoying. So I will have some plan for myself. What I'm gonna do is, and one more thing, this is a trend line. You know, I have been doing this from ages. All right, this one for long term, I always check that, and I always share that Bitcoin is not failing to break that. Whenever it broke, it came back up. It's holding so well, but there is 100 moving average that we need to break, and it will break with the trend, with this triangle. It will break that and it will go up. We did go up here, and the FUD, all right, the bad news, everything dumped the Bitcoin again. By end of the day, I think we are going with positive moves right now. The best time will be, as I said, 11,700 is a good time to buy, because after this break, of course we're gonna see a resistance around 12,000 and see what's gonna happen. We need to close above as well. You can't just expect a wicks go up and just like that. Okay, we can't see these wicks here. I want to see a daily candle to close above that, and then test the 11,700 level and go up again, and make sure that we are making a higher highs, because I want to see a move that gonna go up from here roughly. I wanna see a move going up to 12,300 and then back a one red day to test that. If there's no FOMO, we're gonna see a slowly going there. And if we don't go slow, and that the same way will come down hitting this trend line, we need to go slow here. We can't just go quick fast without any rest. Okay, we need to go slowly, and the slowly will go, the better it will be. In simple words, okay, the better it will be. And yeah, these are our resistance. I was saying the pitchfork is looking good. If you wanna see a Ichimoku cloud, let's go with this one, Ichimoku cloud. Let me share with you guys my charts. Ichimoku cloud, where is Ichimoku cloud? 1 second, guys. Not many coins are moving. You noticed that as well, okay? I'm pretty sure you did. Now every coin is moving these days because everyone is waiting for Bitcoin breakout. And what I'm expecting this time is Bitcoin breakout will make coins to go down in BTC value, I think, because it seems like it's Bitcoin time. It just seems like it to me, but end of the day I can be wrong. Maybe coins will move with Bitcoin this time, but time will tell. We haven't broke out yet. I will be updating you guys. What we were looking at is, I forgot. Yeah, Ichimoku cloud. All right, so what cloud is saying right now, 4 hour we are bullish. We did break out. You see, when the cloud break out, how well that breakout was. Look at this. Look at this green. How bullish that is. And we making kind of bull flag right here. We're making a bull flag here. Hopefully we don't break that down. Now we have support here. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're gonna tight it and then break. The time will tell. The volume is keep going lower, and which is not a good sign when the volume goes down. And maybe volume will come, but it will take time. From some point in 4 hours, we need to break first 11,500 at this level before breaking, of course, 11,700. Let's see it's gonna break or not. What else I was going to say is we did break cloud after a long time failing. We broke 4 hour cloud, which is a very positive sign for us. And in daily, as I was saying before, we need to break and close above 11,500 to be in cloud. I want to see Bitcoin closing in cloud. You know what happens when we close in the cloud, and the movement is gonna be, it needs to go other side of the cloud, and this is going to be huge, something huge. The pump is gonna be pretty well. Those who follow the cloud, so many traders do, I know, they're gonna move it well, okay, because they're gonna enter here when the candle is closed. And if we get support here, there's gonna be test of the support. If we get support here, we're gonna move up again. And as I said, looking at the other side, it all depends what majority using it. Now majority use cloud, but end of the day it will help us. We need to look for every possible thing, okay. And the next thing I was looking for is, we saw pitchfork, we saw cloud, we saw support or resistance, we saw triangles, we saw almost everything, and every scenario is telling us to wait for a freaking breakout, okay. So that's all. We can only predict, we can only wait for that moment, okay. That in trading, that's all we do. We wait for the right moment. We don't just jump and buy or say 100% what this is gonna happen. And this was a bullish scenario. If we break that, we're gonna move up. Other scenario is, if we break down, as long as we hold 10,000 plus, I think we are pretty safe. We should hold that level. We shouldn't go down below 10,000 anymore. If we do, that's a red flag for us. That's what I want to say about the red flag, because end of the day, there is nothing much right now. No bad news. there's banks are opening end of this month, and by next month I'm expecting a breakout and a move up for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's see how many days it's gonna take us to touch here. Roughly, if we see here, is by next month, 5th of next month. Can we expect that? Yeah, I guess. By next 10 days, what's the day today? Yeah, next within 10 days we're going to touch this. No, actually this is too much I'm saying right now. So if we think is we're gonna go from here, we're gonna hit 13,500 by next 5 days, 4 to 5 days. No, that was too much. 10 days from here. So 10 day means we're gonna go here and then slowly break it down. This won't happen. It may happen, you never know, trust me, because right now there's a lot of FOMO of Lightning Network. There's a lot of people talking about Lightning Network, and the fear of missing out. Everyone wants to buy Bitcoin, and when the breakout happens, there will be more FOMO there. The news ones, these all big news channels that create FUD, they will create FOMO as well, like fear of missing out. I did a video. If you don't know what FOMO is, what FUD is, everything will be in my video. I just did a video, Bitcoin terms. You can watch that, and it will help you a lot to understand what I'm saying. For a crypto trader, you must know these terms. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for being here. I hit 5,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna do a giveaway. Make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.